Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Knape Vogt PB BYP 275I-2. This is a parts bag. The PB stands for parts bag. The BYP stands for bypass. The 275 is a reference, we're dissecting the part number, sorry, we're dissecting the part number. 275 is a reference to the weight rating a pair of hangers can hold. The I means the I-beam style track, and the -2 means that there is enough in here to do 2 doors. So basically, this is all of the parts package that would come with the full BYP-275I-2. When you add PB in front, it's just the parts bag. This is what it looks like, and it's heavy. Being 275-pound rated rollers, the hardware is generally substantial. This package weighs 3.75 pounds. Let's take a tour of the individual components. Because you're doing -2, you're going to do 2 doors, you will get 4 rollers, 4 hangers. Let's go over the 4 hangers dimensionally. It's all ball bearing sort of material that you have here naturally. And your I-beam track is going to fit obviously right here through here to the top. Okay. Your quick release is up here. Let's go over those dimensions. Overall width from the end of the roller to the end of the roller is about 4 1/16. Let's see here now. The overall height inch and 13/16, about thereabouts. Overall width of the carriage about 1 1/8 inches. Diameter of the wheel, you know what, let's pull out a better tool for doing that. Because what happens is a client will call and have nothing but dimensions. No identification, no way to determine adequately and accurately what is needed. And a lot of people will immediately try to give the size of the wheel. So, suiting that requirement, the diameter of this wheel, 1.020. Thickness of this wheel, 0.325. Now I'm going to give you some additional information. Center to center of the wheels is awfully nice to have. That dimension is 3 inch. From the center here to the center here, okay? And then let's give you, well, we gave you the width of the wheel chassis. Let's give you a width of the body chassis, or the body portion. About the same, about 1 1/8 inches. So 4 wheels is what you're going to get, okay? In essence, you get everything but the track. Now, you will get a couple of guides, because you've got 2 doors. You'll have a need for 2 guides. Heavy, thick pieces of aluminum. I'm going to give you some important dimensional properties of this. .3-inch overall length, overall width of the mounting pad, about 15/16. Overall height, about 13/16. Forgive me, 13/16. Thickness, about 3/16 thick. Okay. Now, the top pivots. I mean to say they're not pivots, they're pendant bolts is really what they're referred to. You'll get a total of 4 pendant bolts, or top bracket assemblies with pendant bolts. Let's take a look at those. So, you're going to get the top plate. That will obviously screw to the top of the door. This is the pendant bolt here. And that will obviously lock up into the top of your assembly, and you'll obviously turn that over to lock it down. Yep. That's it. That's your installation. Obviously adjustability, because that's all threaded. You're going to use that top nut to secure down so that you have no rotational movement at all on anything. Not that you would, but you would secure that bolt down to the plate wherever you get it. Okay, let's remove that and give you some dimensional information. Okay, overall length of the top plate, 3.5. Overall width, just heavy on 1 inch. Thickness of that piece of steel, looks like it's 5/16. Let's study the length of the pendant bolt. About 2.25 overall. And you can see I'm flushing the tape measure off to the top of the bolt where everything falls into play. And the word I'm using, pendant, like you would wear on a necklace, a pendant. That's what this is referred to. Now, we've gone through all of the important business end parts of this hardware pack. The last thing you're going to get is 5 packages of screws. That's going to be to attach the you're going to get far more screws than you could possibly use, is the fact of the matter. These packages are going to come with everything that you'll need, assuming that the track is already existing and that's already hanging. You know, because it's a parts bag and you get everything but the track, all of these screws will be probably not that necessary for your installation at all. So expect that you'll have screws at least left over. The name Knape Vogt is synonymous with many things hardware related. Their core product line, really, especially in my years of working with Knape Vogt, is not sliding door hardware. It's more of standards and arms, pilaster strips, pilaster clips for shelving, incredibly high quality ball bearing drawer slides, and every sort of configuration that's possible. And all of the other ancillary products that Knape Vogt is known for. Organization, they have drawer accessories, they have those index followers and the tracks that you'll put inside of a drawer. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line, what I would call the core product catalog, and review all things Knape Vogt related. There's a follow-up catalog that's there, John Sterling, the John Sterling catalog. Their name is historically known as residential caliber sliding door material. Then there is the full-line sliding door catalog from Knape Vogt. And what I love about that catalog is the fact that when I first saw it, it was immediately obvious how to use the book. Some people may approach needing to get a track and hangers as a bit daunting. Well, it's really not, and that catalog exposes why it's not. First of all, what type of door? Is it pocket, bifold, sliding, bypass? Well, you have to know the door type. Okay, that's easy. Go to that section in the book. Next question, how heavy are the doors? You have to know that. Go to that section within that section. And then at that point, how wide is the opening? How many doors are you hanging? It's that simple. And their approach, again, when I first saw it, made me realize, now here's a company that has well thought out this approach, because I've been selling sliding door track and hangers for, you could say that it's decades. The fact of the matter is, it has made me quite partial to Knape Vogt because I believe in the product. Their customer service is time-tested, tough and true, and the accessibility of understanding the product line has been a mainstay for me. If you have any questions on the Knape Vogt, their PB BYP 275i-2 parts bag for their 275-pound rated I-beam 2-door track system or any other Knape Vogt product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.